Big ideas start with a blank page. Now that page becomes video instantly. Just describe it by simply typing your prompt.
Life on the moon would shimmer with silver enchantment, where cities of crystal domes float above glowing lunar gardens, and gravity feels like a gentle dream.
Nights never end, but they sparkle with constellations.
Nights never end, but they sparkle with constellations that whisper ancient songs. Tired of crowded cities? On the moon, your backyard is the universe. Your neighbours, the stars, your mornings, a walk on sparkling lunar dust. This isn't a fantasy, it could be your next address.
Here, every breath tastes like stardust, and the earth hangs like a blue jewel in the sky, watching over a world where magic is woven into every grain of moon dust.
What took weeks earlier now just takes 2 minutes.